This Pete Anderson Realty Incorporated property video is presented by David Jones. Enjoy your privacy, tucked away in this attractive Craftsman style home. This hidden gem offers an open floor plan with 3 bdrms, 2 baths, 2-car garage on a large parcel with additional parking for your RV or boat. The backyard has nice patio, fenced yard and an abundance of trees and open space for a garden and greenhouse. Also included is great lighting throughout, high ceilings, and the wood-burning fireplace makes great ambience for the setting. Laundry room has cabinets. Video available. For more information, review the details below or contact David Jones at 503-355-2532.